babes. You want to open some MEJURI jewelry? Okay, settle in, girlfriend. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a MEJURI haul unboxing for y'all. We're going to try on some new pieces that they recently just released. I've also got Miss Riley here with me. She is being a total squish right now. You're going to help me open up some MEJURI jewelry? Yes. If you guys are new to my channel, I am a MEJURI affiliate and I did a collaboration video over on the MEJURI channel and Riley was a big star in that video, so she is officially a MEJURI mascot. Yes, you are. But like I said, I am a MEJURI affiliate, so if you want, you can get 10% off using my link down below in the description box. I will also be linking my full MEJURI playlist down below as well, which has my entire MEJURI collection as well as some other unboxings and hauls. So we are gonna get into this box because they have released some amazing new pieces and I'm so honored to get to open them up with y'all here on my channel and show you guys what they look like on and kind of what they look like on videos. Inside of the MEJURI box here, we've got quite a few bags and these are all pieces that I picked out. So MEJURI is super kind to gift me these pieces so that I can show you guys here on my channel what they look like. I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so that you can see these pieces. I have actually got on all MEJURI jewelry. So I guess to start out, I'll show you guys my stack here so that you know kind of what I'm wearing right now. I have the diamond letter pendant on here with a 14 karat gold chain, and then I have the, I think this is called the boyfriend chain, the bold boyfriend chain, I believe. And then I've got on their newest kind of rope chain here. And then the shortest necklace that I have on is their curb chain necklace, and these are all 14 karat gold pieces. I typically like to stick to 14 karat gold because, fun fact, I never take these off. I shower in them, I work out in them, I sleep in them, and they never come off. For my rings, I've got on, this is the Charlotte ring right here. This one has been one of my absolute staples. I wear this one all the time. And then I've got on their classic dome ring right here. This is actually my wedding band, which is from David Yurman, but I really like these two kind of paired together. And then on this hand, I've just got on my engagement ring and my other little wedding band. For my bracelets, I've got on the curb chain bracelet. This actually matches my curb chain necklace. This one is actually from a local store in Nashville, but this is also a gold piece that I really love. And then this is the Bold Spheres bracelet. And then for my ears, I've got on the Essentials cuff, which is a 14 karat gold cuff, which you just slip on your ear like that. And then I've got on the Pav diamond hoops, and then these are the large croissant earrings. So these are all the pieces that I'm wearing for today. The only thing that I kind of switch out regularly are these earrings. Everything else I pretty much leave on. Well, the rings I actually do take off while I sleep because for some reason I can sleep with necklaces and bracelets and earrings, but rings drive me crazy. I can't sleep with them on, so I usually take off all my rings. But as far as the jewelry that I keep on, necklaces, bracelets, and then these kind of small hoops I keep on, obviously I will take out these hoops. But those are the pieces that I'm wearing. I wanted to kind of start out with that because you guys are always asking what pieces I've got on, and I will list everything out down below that I open up and that I'm wearing currently. I am not totally familiar with all of the names of these pieces, so like I said, I will list them down below in order that I open them up. So first box right here, this is what the MEJURI bags look like when you get pieces. This one has 2 boxes in it, so we're gonna start with this first box right here. It says MEJURI. Inside the MEJURI box, you get the fine guide, which will walk you through what kind of piece you have and how to take care of it. And then under there, we have the dust bag, the MEJURI dust bag that has the M on it. And then under the dust bag, we have our first piece. So these are some little diamond huggy earrings. These are the wishbone earrings, I believe is what they're called, and these ones are a little diamond pair. These would be perfect for seconds. You could also just keep them in all the time, but they are 14 karat gold with diamonds. So I'm actually gonna pop out my seconds here, the Pav hoops, and I'm going to pop those in. And my nails are a little bit long, so I'm gonna try to do this. It's hard to put jewelry in when your nails are longer. So these are the wishbone earrings. Again, if I'm getting the names wrong, please just refer down to the description box because those will be the correct names. But these are the earrings and I think they're so beautiful and delicate. And I'll actually zoom you guys in more so you can see. I think they're beautiful as seconds. Obviously, you could wear them in your main piercing, but I just love them as a second. And because they are so delicate, I feel like you could leave these in pretty permanently and never really have to take them out. I think they look so good with the Essentials cuff and kind of a bolder earring. But this is so beautiful. And what I'm gonna actually do is take these out and show you guys what they look like with the POV hoop. So this is what they look like with the POV hoop on my main piercing. Again, I just think these are the perfect second. If you don't have a second piercing though, obviously you can wear it down here, but I think if you're looking for like a really cute, unique second piercing, this one is so beautiful. So that is the first earring, gorgeous. The second thing that I got are the, I think these are called the San Francisco hoops, and these were inspired by the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm pretty sure that this is correct. These are the hoops, and I actually have the ring that matches these, and they are so pretty. They have a really good texture, really good size too. They're not too big, which is really nice. Really good size. So I'll pop these in as well. And these match, like I said, the San Francisco ring as well. So these are the San Francisco hoops, and I think they are actually the perfect hoop size. They are not too big at all. So if you don't want something super bold, these are gorgeous, but at the same time, they do have that gorgeous texture, which I think is a really pretty feature. These are Vermeil, so these are gonna be under $100, which is amazing. They are so pretty though with the wishbone earrings. I love the texture mixed with the diamonds. I also love that they're a tapered design, so they are thinner at the top and then they get wider and then they get thinner in the back. So these ones I feel like are a really good staple if you're wanting something a little bit different than your average hoop. I think these are so pretty. You can actually see the size difference. So these are the bold croissant hoops, which are very large, really pretty, but very dramatic. Like they're very in your face. And then these are a little bit more delicate, a little bit more understated, but I absolutely love this size. I think this is a really good everyday size. They're not heavy at all. These ones are a little bit heavier, so these ones are definitely gonna wear your ear down if you're wearing them all day long, whereas these ones are really comfortable. So just keep that in mind. Obviously, you guys know I love a bold, chunky hoop, so I love the bold croissant hoops, but I think these are a really beautiful option. Okay, I'm just gonna leave the mismatched earrings for now, but we're gonna get into the next box in here and see what we've got. So again, we've got pamphlet, the dust bag. Ooh, okay, these ones, I need to look up the name of these because these are so stinking cute and I don't want to get this wrong. So these are the Goop woven hoops. These were in collaboration with Goop, which is really cool. These are a Gold Vermeil, so these are 115, and these ones have incredible texture. I love these, so unique. Again, really dainty, so you can wear these on your second. I think this would be really pretty. So I'm gonna take my earrings out and pop these in, and I'll throw them in over here so that we can kind of compare the different sides here. So this is the earring. You can see it's got really pretty texture, and I don't know if it actually would be big enough to be in the main piercing because it's a pretty small hoop, so I feel like it's probably best for the second, but we can pop it in the main hoop as well and see what that looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I love it as a second. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. I love that. So pretty. And then we obviously could throw it in the main one, so I will go over here and show you guys what it looks like in your main piercing, because I know a lot of y'all might not have a second piercing. I actually really want to get a third piercing. I know I keep talking about it, so I need to stop talking about it and just do it. It's been something that I've been wanting to do. So this is it in the main piercing, and I actually do think that that is really, really pretty. If you're looking for something very understated, this is a really pretty option. It's better than just a normal stud, but it's definitely not gonna get in the way. I feel like it's honestly just like really comfortable. You can't tell it's there, and it does pair really nicely with, again, the wishbone earring. I personally think I like it in the second still. I think I prefer it on this piercing. If you're looking for something that is a little bit more bold than your average stud that you just want to keep in, this is really pretty. So that's what it looks like on the main piercing, and then this is what it looks like as a second. I love that. Okay, so under this here, we've got some more hoops. These ones are the Boston Dome hoop, and these ones are Vermeil again. So these ones I believe are gonna be under $100. They're $95 actually. And these ones are, again, a really great size. I love these because they look like a stacked hoop. Jason was like, is that one earring or is it a stack? So these ones are really cool because you're getting that kind of like shiny gold hoop, but then you're getting the rope texture on the sides, and compared to the San Francisco hoop, they are the same size. So this is what the difference is between the two. It's totally just preference. I think they're both so cute. So whichever one that you are just drawn to. I like that this one is like a shiny metal, whereas this one is like full textured. So it's really just preference. But I'm gonna pop these in here. Well, I'll pop them in over here actually. We've got the Boston Dome hoop with the Goop earrings. And these are so cute together. Again, I just love the size of the Boston and the San Francisco hoops. I think these are a great hoop size. Really, really comfortable to wear, but so cute because they are like really unique with the rope texture. So that is what those two look like together, and I think these actually are such a cute pair together. I love that. Oh, I'm all decked out. I'm feeling very, very glam. Love these two together. So those are the Boston Dome hoops. Now we're gonna get into this box here. This is a necklace. We've got the necklace box right here, and big dust bag. Oop, just fell out. This is the multi-chain necklace. This is in collaboration with Goop. This is a Vermeil piece, but this one is so stinking cool. Very different than anything that I have. How amazing is this necklace? It's got a large clasp, which we love because, you know, a lot of MEJURI clasps are relatively small, so they're very dainty, which is nice for the dainty pieces, but they are a little bit tricky to get on. So this is actually gonna be so easy to put on. I love this so much. It does have like a little bit of a jingle to it, and I think I'm gonna go on the longer setting here. So this is the longest setting, and there are 3 settings, so you can wear it longer or shorter, which is really nice. So it is adjustable, and I'm sorry, I have like so many necklaces on, but this is kind of where it lays on the longest setting, just so you guys can see. I am obsessed with this necklace. Oh my gosh. I feel like if I wasn't wearing all of these, like if I was just wearing maybe like the curb chain and the rope chain one, I feel like these would be really, really cool. If I took off the boyfriend chain and the letter pendant, I think this is such a look with the curb chain. I love this so much. I don't wear a lot of like bold jewelry, but I'm really, really loving it with this kind of like high neck tank that I have on right now. With the earrings, I think this is such a look. This is very, very cool. Very different than anything that I have. I really love the Goop collab. So that is amazing. Next, we are gonna get into this box right here. I think this is the last box, and inside of here, we have got a couple of things. First up, we have got a necklace, which I am so excited about. This is one of my favorite launches that they have done in a really, really long time. They released these bold letter pendants that are just so cool. They're textured, kind of like the San Francisco ring and San Francisco hoops. They have that rippled texture on them, which is so cool. But I love the size of this because the diamond letter pendant is obviously very dainty and very small, whereas this is like a bolder pendant. So I wonder if I should leave this on. I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit. So I am so pumped for this. I usually get a J for Jason, but I'm like, I have so many J pendants now. I really wanted to get something for our last name, which, fun fact, my last name isn't Wynn. That's actually my middle name. My last name is technically Wozniak, so that is kind of a mouthful. But this is so cute. I'm so obsessed with this, and I'm gonna pop it on the longest length just so you guys can see how long it gets, because this actually gets pretty long, which I like for layering. So this is the longest setting with the Goop necklace on. I know this is kind of a lot. I don't know if I would actually wear this with the Goop chain on. I'm gonna take this off so that you guys can kind of see. I would probably wear it with my more dainty pieces. So like if I bring these back up here, and I probably wouldn't wear it on this setting. So this is the longest setting. I think I would probably wear this one setting up. So I'm gonna actually shorten it to the next one, or should I do it the shortest? Actually, I'm gonna shorten it to the shortest one so you guys can see actually what that is. All right, so this is the shortest setting. So it does lay shorter than my J diamond pendant. So this is the diamond J pendant, which is very small, and this is the bold pendant on the shortest setting. So that is just for length compared to the other necklaces that I have on. I know I have like a lot on right now. I probably would take the J off and maybe this off. I don't know, I'd have to play around with it. I wouldn't wear all of these together, but I am obsessed with this. I love this pendant. It is so fun. And I feel like I don't have anything with my last name initial on it, so this is actually kind of fun for me because I don't have anything with a W. So love that. Okay, last thing, I'm just gonna leave this on. I know this is like a lot to look at. Last thing though is a ring, and I need to look up the name of this one too. This is called the Diamond Wishbone Ring, and they actually have a set where you can get the diamond one with the gold stacker as well in the same shape. So you can get two of them, but this is just the single ring, and I can put it on here. This is what the wishbone stacker looks like. I probably wouldn't pair it with the Charlotte ring, so let me take that off. I can throw it on with the dome ring though, so you can see it next to the dome ring. I actually really like that. You could put it next to your engagement ring and wear it as a wedding band. You could also just wear it by itself because it's really, really beautiful and just so dainty. So I really love this ring. It's so different than anything I have. It's a really thin band, so it's very, very comfortable to wear. The Charlotte ring is definitely very bold and bulky, whereas this is very, very delicate. So I really love that. I'm gonna see if I can put it next to my wedding band. It's a little bit big for my wedding finger, this finger, but that's kind of what it would look like next to your wedding band. So I am obsessed with this ring. I think it's so, so pretty. I love that. But those are all of the pieces from this MEJURI haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these pieces on and how they look and how they stack and the different lengths and stuff. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite piece was. Let me know if you order anything. Like I mentioned before, you can use my discount linked down below in the description box to get 10% off of your order. If you want to see more MEJURI unboxes and reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel for some more videos, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye, y'all.